Hey folks, clouds are back. You probably noticed that in a big way moving into the valley today, all coming from the southwest from an upper disturbance sitting back here. That's actually feeding moisture across Mexico. It's going to trigger another low to develop right on our coastline, and ultimately it's going to give us a good chance of rain. This evening for your evening New Year's Eve celebrations, I think you're looking at maybe a little drizzle, but it's not widespread yet. The more significant rain holds off to well after midnight. That's not saying it's going to be dry, but the more significant rain, the kind of stuff that makes you stop your plans and go inside, that's probably much later. Let's watch. Future Track suggests that a little misty drizzle around by 11 o'clock, but not a lot more than that. But by the time we get to 4 a.m., that drizzle starts to get heavier, and by 8 or 9 o'clock tomorrow morning, it's just rain. And notice it covers the whole valley. It may be a persistent rain at times. It could come down pretty hard. Could be a heavy rain for at least a little while. I think we're looking at 1 to 2 inches as an average before it's all over with. By tomorrow afternoon, still raining pretty much valley-wide. You start to see it try to break tomorrow evening, but even at that, there's still plenty of rain around, and it probably goes into the nighttime hours tomorrow night and then really tapers off quickly on Thursday. If we look at our Future Track rainfall totals, watch. Here you go. By 11 o'clock in the morning, you're looking at maybe a ½ an inch in the northern part of the valley, a third of an inch in other places, and then it just continues to build on that. By 8 o'clock tomorrow night, you're looking at closer to an inch in a lot of places. Really, I think, regardless of what the models are saying, we think the heaviest stuff will be north, kind of on the northern edge of the valley, and then right along the coast. There's one of the bigger totals, 1.1 on the island, but just to give you an idea, an average of 1 to 2 inches across the area. So if we look at our 3-day rain chances, tomorrow we're at 90% during the day, 60% tomorrow night, then Thursday about 30%, especially early in the day. And I think by Thursday night, anything that's left will be right along the coast, maybe northern Willacy County, Cameron County, but that's about it. Then after that, we dry out. Again, the system causing a big upper air low sitting back here. As that moves eastward, it's going to generate a low right on the coast. And what that'll do is really get that moisture going. But by Thursday, it's already lifting out, but then another front comes in. That races in Friday, brings drier air in just in time for the weekend. Long-range models do push another front into the area. It looks like probably on Sunday night or Monday. These are your current temperatures. We're in the 60s valley-wide. Overnight, we drop down into the upper 50s and low 60s. That's about it. And tomorrow, still a cool day because of the clouds and rain, back into the upper 60s in most areas. So your First One 5 AccuWeather forecast for tonight, an average low of 60. Cloudy and mild with drizzle developing, but again, anything significant probably well after midnight, closer to dawn. But then tomorrow, cloudy with periods of rain, a high of 68, east-northeasterly winds. Here we go. 68, 72, some leftover morning rain Thursday, maybe near the coast Thursday night, but after that we're sunny through the weekend, and then the clouds return on Monday, giving us a chance of showers again Monday and Tuesday. That's your updated First One 5 AccuWeather forecast.